contract. There it is.
What is it?
Essay for Professor Jade.
Go
I
ahead.
can't read the rest.
Did you try? History of...
History of Jade. Jade was
born
when she grew very big. Then she grew very big. She learned how to walk. Then she learned how to talk and to use a lot of words. Soon she became a big sister. Her brother came, and his name
is...
William. Jane is a wonderful little kid. That's the essay.
Yeah? What grade do you give that essay? Do you give it a good grade or a bad grade?
Good grade.
You like what that student had to say?
Yes.
Excellent.
You are the student that I meant to say.
Oh yes, I wrote that essay.